What's good? I'm Flex, owner and photographer of Flex Shot Films. Today I'll be unboxing the Hpusn Backdrop stand. Not really going to drag this video out today, but because this is my first video, I do want to kind of touch bases on what's to come on my channel. I'm going to be doing reviews, vlogs, tutorials, unboxings, anything kind of dealing with photography. With that being said, let's get right into this unboxing video. Let's get it. Alright, so I'll be opening up the Hpusn Backdrop stand now. As you can see, it was a Christmas present. It was very much appreciated. Pulling that bag out, and I really enjoyed working with this stand for the first time. Here are the sandbags to kind of hold everything down in outside conditions, wind, stuff like that. Here go the legs. And I'll be bringing you a montage of all the things that comes out of this bag, get a closer look to it. Here's the legs that keep it grounded. And I don't need that bag anymore, so away with that. Like I said, these are the legs that keep everything grounded. You have your knob there to kind of adjust the height of everything. When we pull those out, and really, like I said, you just want to get it down to a point where you like it, where you're comfortable at. It's kind of sort of, dealing with the customer. How tall they are, how small they are, is how many. And it comes with more poles than this, but because of space, I just use 2 poles to just kind of give you an idea. Those 2 poles on the ground can be added to the ones at the top and make it wider. And you got your clamps here, you just want to twist those on top. It's pretty self-explanatory, it's not that hard, it's nothing too serious. Like I said, you want to twist it, everything is twist and adjustable. Pull that up. Almost fell on it. Twist that, adjust it. And like I said, I'm not doing too much, I just kind of want to show you the basics of it. And this right here is a piece of fabric that I had got for photo purposes, but I'm just going to be using it for a demonstration. This is not an actual official backdrop, but it'll do the trick. Right there, you just want to clamp it at the ends if this was an official backdrop. And this part right here, you don't really have to clamp, but thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Out of there.